Green tea isn't just a soothing drink, it's packed with health benefits that can boost your body. Whether you're sipping it for relaxation or looking for a natural way to support your health, here's why green tea deserves a spot in your daily routine. First, it's loaded with antioxidants, particularly catechins, which help fight free radicals in your body. These compounds may reduce cell damage, slow down aging, and even lower your risk of chronic diseases. The next amazing benefit of green tea is its reduced risk of cancers. The catechins found in green tea have also been associated with a reduced risk of various cancers, including liver, lung, and breast. Next, green tea is great for heart health. Studies suggest that regularly drinking green tea can help lower bad cholesterol levels and improve blood vessel function, reducing the risk of heart disease over time. Plus, green tea can be a helpful ally if you're trying to lose weight. It boosts metabolism and enhances fat burning, improving body mass index and liver enzyme levels. And let's not forget about immunity. The antioxidants in green tea support your immune system, helping your body fight off infections and inflammation. With so many benefits, what's stopping you? Pour yourself a cup of green tea, relax, and enjoy.